Hello. Welcome to this video. Pretty easy trade on the day. We'll just go over it. You can't see my fucking screen, but pretty easy trade on the day. Nice little 4RR. But yeah, let us go over it. So we are going to start on my journal. And let me move this over here. And yeah, so starting off, this is the 4-hour time frame. We retraced into this order block. We held it. We tapped into OTE range. We did go past 0.79, but that's okay. We then reversed and got this strong displacement right here. This black candle. I think you can see my mouse, but strong displacement, continuing down, and pretty clear that we're going to this low. And looking to the left as well, we had these equal swing lows, failure swings to the left. So even more conviction for us to go lower. We then also had 8:30 news. So we had data highs and data lows. So data lows were very, very clear draw for me. Super confident we were going to data lows. And yeah, that was my pre-market journaling. So let's go over the trade. So let's just go back in time and clear some of this so I can go over it. So market opened and I saw we did form this little breaker block right here even. It was like a 1-minute breaker. Not enough for me to take a trade off of, but I did like to see it. Little breaker formed right here. We also inversed this fair value gap and created this fair value gap. We pushed into it, and then we started to push off of it. What I really was looking at, though, was this 5-minute, this little 5-minute breaker that formed. Very clean. 5-minute breaker formed. Where does this candle close? Hold on. Candle closed. Okay, that might have been too far. Let me go back. Candle closed, forming the breaker. We didn't close through here, but this was honestly enough for me to look for an entry. I zoomed in. I saw this fair value gap. Fair value gap right here. And we also inversed this fair value gap as well. So didn't mark that out, but that was good to see. I then put my limit order on the breaker. Could have taken it on the fair value gap, but I waited for the breaker to get tapped into. Stop loss, I set it above the breaker because we also had a 5-minute order block right here. 5-minute little order block. The orange. And we could have tapped into this order block. So, I mean, I could have set my stop loss here above this order block and this fair value gap and this inverse fair value gap, but didn't think that was necessary. Could have even set it here, but I just set it above the breaker. And I was targeting data lows and also this external low right here. Very confident that we were going to take that. And then also this pretty close swing low to the left. And zoom in. That ended up being... Why did it play through price? Where did my position go? What? But that ended up being a... What? What? Where did my swing low go? What the hell? Hold on. This swing low. What is that line? What is this line? Did I move it? Whatever. But that ended up being, I think it was 4.7 RR on the full trade. Here on the breaker. So I was very confident in the data lows being taken. So we come up into the fair value gap, and at 9:46, right before the macro opens, we get a strong move down, take out data lows. Super confident in that. I think that was like a 1.8 RR, 1.85. So I didn't take any profit there. I just moved my stop loss to break even. Stop loss now at break even. And targeting this next external low because very confident that that's going to get taken. We come down, we form this 5-minute order block. Wanted to see this hold price from going any higher. And then we start to come back up, come back up, come back up. Tap into the order block as well on ES. We don't take this high, 952. Play a little more. We don't take this high. Put in an SMT here. So, even more confirmation. Honestly, could have added to your position here. I would have probably put in something like this. This might be a little early, but you can add a position there. And then from there, we get a strong ass candle down. I know there was a 10 a.m. orange folder, but even if this came out bullish, I still think we hold this 5-minute order block, or we come up and stop me at break even, which I'm totally okay with. But we come down, smash the first take profit, and we go straight to the second take profit as well. So easy trade on the day. I do think we are going to continue down all the way to here, but absolutely no reason to be greedy. 4.7 RR, that's all I need. That's a beautiful trade. Very clear day, in my opinion. Love to see it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something, and peace out.